Moving to another country. This is Oliver.
Hello.
He moved to another country in search of a better life. He is full of enthusiasm and dreams of great opportunities. Oliver arrived in a new country. Everything around is unfamiliar, and people speak a different language. He feels nervous, but believes in himself. Oliver is trying to find a job, but no one is hiring him. He is upset, sitting alone in his small room. Several weeks have passed, but Oliver is still struggling. He feels lonely and starts doubting his decision. He thinks about going back home. But at that moment, he realizes that if he gives up, he will never succeed. He decides not to give up and to try again. Oliver studies the language to understand people better. He persistently searches for a job and finally gets his first offer. Oliver works hard and improves every day. People start noticing him, and he gets a promotion. Oliver meets a girl who becomes his support. They fall in love and start planning their future. Oliver starts a family, and they have a child. Now he is a successful, happy, and confident man. Oliver proved to himself that you should never give up. If you don't give up, you will succeed.
Follow me.